Hello everybody, well welcome back. It's your boy Mr. Green Hands. I'm at the allotment and we're just going to give you a quick update because I did a video with where I created, while I was sowing some seed, I was using my compost box to generate heat, which is a natural thing that happens when you do hot composting, and using that heat, let's see if it can germinate some seeds. Well, you know, because why not let nature do its thing? And while I'm out here, just have a look at this view. It's a bit cloudy. Got outbreaks of sun. It's one of the warmest days we've had in a long time. It does have that chill factor, but it's not about that. Let's go over there and see that little thing that's right there looking at us. What I'm going to do first before we even open up this bad boy is just to see what the temperature is right now still in the compost box. I don't know if you guys can see that closely. Have a look at that bad boy go up. It's getting to the 30s. Let's turn it right way around. Look at that. It's in the mids of the 35s and stuff, but that's just on the outside here. So it's very warm and it's staying, but let's open up this right now and show you guys what is happening right now. Look at that. So let me just stand you guys here and let's open it up. As you guys can see, it is working, guys. Let me check the temperature inside. Let's get a, push down in there. So right now, that's the temperature right now inside here, in the compost box, right there. It's just perfect. It's really hot, it's doing its thing, and a lot of the steam's coming up. But the best thing about it is that it's actually doing its job that it's supposed to be. I did have some concerns about, will it do well, will it not do well? But I see life, and you guys can see it as well too. There is some beautiful lettuce. Before I even go any further, let me just remove this. I started these ones here. These are the ones that you saw in the video that I did, but they haven't been doing such a great job. There's a little bit of fungi on there. Don't you worry about it. But if you look closely, look here. See that there? This has bunching onions in there, and it does have some negative things. This is the broad beans that I put in here. Let's get the label of the broad beans. And if you look closely, guys, it's not gonna make it. They're starting to spoil. So that is the only one that I see so far that's nothing, there's no life in it. But let me show you another one. Look, broccoli, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, I have broccoli on its way up. Broccoli, and if you look really closely, I don't know if you guys can see these little things here, the white thing here. Don't worry about these things. I don't know why there's grass in here. God knows. Let's get rid of that. That's not what I planted. These are broccoli. Look at that. So there is some life in here. It works. It works. Some of these might take a little bit longer. The Brussels sprouts, I haven't seen them yet. There's no signs of them, but I'm going to still leave it in there, let it do its thing. Sometime they will take a bit longer. I'm not sure why. These are my peppers, and you know, there's nothing yet. And peppers do take a long time. So I am presuming that when the weather warms up, I will have a great opportunity for them to start. So I'm not going to take them out. They're doing quite well. I haven't seen too much fungus on the top of it. So I'm just going to leave it and let it do its thing. But what I did was I found these are some, there was some fruit that came in this. So I did another sowing while no one saw it. And I planted, this is some lettuce. So look at that, guys. It works. It truly works. Using my hot compost bin to germinate something. And I decided to do some more Brussels sprouts because I was a bit panicky. But this, I think I did it about 2 days ago. I'm not worried about it. I'm just going to leave it and let it do a thing with some time. Because I'm trying to not buy time in the shop as a plant. I'm going to try to sow some seeds and uppot them and then get my stuff to go. And I did some more. So I got some strawberries, but this is a different variety. I don't even know the variety I actually have here for my own self, but this is a Alpine, was it Regina? Strawberry Alpine Regina they're going to be coming up. But if you look closely, a seed from the kohlrabi flipped over there, and now I've got 2 kohlrabis growing up in that section there, but it's okay. And that is some beautiful purple kohlrabi, right? Look at that. Look at that. Nothing else in here. I got some brassica, some Brussels sprouts in here. I got some more peppers I have planted here, and I got some kale, some Nero kale at the back there, but I haven't seen them yet. But that's okay. Some stuff does take a longer time. But the biggest one was this for me. These are Sauvage purple cabbage I got from Gina. Thank you so much, Gina. Look at them. Look at those. And I had to sow some oh, my tongue is getting, sow some Oregon sugar pod, which is like a snap peas. Look at that. They're ready to go. Look at it. Just beautiful. So it works, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, we have liftoff. It works. Just absolutely beautiful. So yeah, go out there. You can try this for yourself, or you can do it inside. It's fine. But I thought, let me do it outside while I have this hot, super hot compost box, and it's done the thing. It's really, really works, because I have seedlings growing, guys. Come on. It's the beautiful thing. And that is all from your boy, Mr. Green Hands. I'm here, still out here with a beautiful sunny day, trying to get some suntan. Some vitamin D's are so important to me. Plus, got to do some garden work. Please don't forget to love yourself and hit the like button or the subscribe button, whatever you feel like. And we will be back for more. And please don't forget to look after the planet, because we just have to. We live here, for crying out loud. Let's do this thing.